How you can fix there was a problem in your Instagram loading with your request. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I am going to show you that how you can fix this. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go into your app store, and from here you have to go in the search and simply search for the Instagram. Now just have to click on it and make sure that your Instagram application is updated, and if it is not you just have to update it. So once you update your Instagram, from here you have to go into your full settings and click on the general. From here you have to go in the iPhone storage, and if you are in the Android you have to go into your app management settings. From here you have to scroll down until you find the option of the Instagram and simply click on it. Now here is the option of the offload app, and here in the Android you have to clear the cache of your Instagram, and in the iPhone you have to offload the app. Now this will free up the storage that is used by the app, and after that you just have to go back and again go into your phone settings. From here you have to go in the search and simply search for the VPN device management, and from here you have to make sure in the VPN status there is no VPN is connected, and after that you just have to restart your Instagram and you are able to fix this. So this is how you can fix your Instagram problem request into your iPhone. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.